If your organization runs on Microsoft 365, learning Power Automate is one of the smartest investments you can make. Because, let's be honest here, every organization has processes that you know should be automated but are still done manually. This is where my latest Pluralsight course comes in. In the Getting Started with Microsoft Power Automate course on Pluralsight, I'll walk you through exactly what you need to know to start automating real work in under 3 hours. You'll learn everything you need to start building your own cloud flows using Power Automate's no-code interface. We'll cover everything from key terms such as connectors, triggers, and actions, and I'll show you how to build common automations like purchase approvals, task reminders, Teams notifications, and even scheduled flows that pull data and send alerts. We'll also go beyond the basics because you'll learn how to add logics, implement loops, and conditions. You'll learn how to handle errors gracefully and use variables and expressions to make your automations more intelligent and flexible. You'll even see how to integrate with Microsoft Teams, Planner, SharePoint, Excel, and many more. So you're not learning just theory. You're building practical flows that apply across Microsoft 365. And if you're looking to validate your skills, this course also maps directly to Microsoft's applied skill credential called Create and Manage Automated Processes by using Power Automate, which is completely free, by the way, so don't hesitate to take it after. So by the time you finish, you'll not only be ready to automate your own workflows, but you'll be able to earn Microsoft credentials to prove it. If you're ready to stop doing the same tasks over and over again and start building smarter workflows, jump in the course today and let's get started.